Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create websites for clients. First, begin by thoroughly understanding your client's vision and specific requirements. This initial discovery phase is crucial for setting clear expectations and defining the project's scope. Next, establish a realistic timeline and a comprehensive budget, ensuring both parties agree on the financial and time commitments. Finally, select the most suitable platform and technologies, whether it's a content management system or custom code, to meet the project's unique demands. Once the planning is complete, the design and development phases begin. Start by crafting wireframes and detailed mock-ups, presenting these to your client for their valuable feedback and approval. This ensures the visual direction aligns perfectly with their brand. Then, proceed with the actual development, writing clean, efficient code, or configuring the chosen platform. Always prioritize responsive design, making sure the website looks and functions flawlessly across all screen sizes, from large desktops to small mobile phones. Before launching, rigorous testing is absolutely essential. Conduct comprehensive tests across various web browsers and devices to identify and fix any bugs or inconsistencies. Once you are confident in the website's performance, secure final approval from your client, ensuring they are completely satisfied with the outcome. Finally, deploy the website to a robust and reliable hosting environment, making it accessible to the public. This critical step marks the official launch of their new online presence. The journey doesn't end at launch. Post-launch support is vital for client satisfaction and long-term success. Offer ongoing maintenance and regular security updates to keep the website running smoothly and securely. Provide comprehensive training to your client on how to manage their content, empowering them to make updates independently. Lastly, discuss potential future enhancements and scaling opportunities, fostering a lasting partnership, and ensuring their website continues to evolve with their business needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.